What's going on, YouTube? How you guys doing today? So I'm here to unbox and review the Jordan 6 Retro ST.GERMAIN Paris. Just a little information I'm gonna give you guys before I unbox and review these sneakers, okay? Two members came together, the Jordan brand, okay, and the soccer club in Paris, okay, and they came together, joined together, and created this collaboration called Jordan 6 Retro ST.GERMAIN, okay? So let's take a look at these sneakers. Let's see what it looks like. Let's get to it. You know what I'm saying? When you get your Jordans, it comes in a black box, gray with the red Jordan sign. Okay, classic. Man, let me smell these things for 1 second. Oh man, I just love that new smell. You know what I'm saying? Definitely love it. Oh man, wow. Let me give you guys a 360 of these sneakers real quick, you know. Let you guys see the bottom of the sneakers. Okay. Now guys, first thing I notice about these sneakers are these, right? These sneakers don't stand out, okay, because they don't have vivid colors, all right, but at the same time, because of their black and gray and their retro sixes, they're very noticeable. You understand what I'm saying? But they don't stand out. Let's talk about the colors though. You know, everything black, gray, and most other sneakers right here is all suede. You understand what I'm saying? And I cannot seem to not notice this big plastic tab behind the shoe. You understand what I'm saying? I guess maybe it's just for holding your sneakers. You know, if you had two pairs of sneakers in your hands, you were holding or something like that. That's the only reason I can see they put that there. You know what I'm saying? And then you got ST.GERMAIN, and you got Paris, and you got the Jordan sign in the middle, the tongue, Jordan sign. Basically, man, I don't know what you guys think about these sneakers, but to me, I think the sixes are a very fun sneakers to have. I give it an 8 out of 10 if you ask me. You know what I'm saying? So these sneakers right here are definitely Sky Dukes approved. I love these sixes. I think they're dope. I love the color. You know what I'm saying? And these are $225 retail. So if you're gonna be copying these, that's how much you're gonna be paying for it. Well, that's the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys subscribe. I hope you guys come back again and share my video. And after you share my video, I hope you guys make comments, and I hope you guys will turn on your notification bell just in case I upload a video, you can see it. This is a new channel, so if you guys please subscribe. I appreciate it. Until next time, I'm gonna holler at you guys later. One easy. Peace.